So guys, this is going to be our prediction for the week on our Swiss franc JPY. So let's take a look at what Swiss franc JPY is actually going to be giving us for the week. So before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the week, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you would not miss out on the updates. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, pay attention to this movement on our Swiss franc JPY. What can you say the trend is on the Swiss franc JPY? Now zoom it out right here. What can you say the trend is on your Swiss franc JPY? It is very simple and it is very clear, right? Swiss franc JPY is literally in an uptrend move, right? This is our weekly time frame. This is it right here. We are in an uptrend move. Market is clearly trending to the upside. Now, this is where the two rules of trading comes in. The first rule says know your trend. Second rule says trade with the trend, right? First, you have to know your trend. Second, you have to trade with the trend. Now, what can you say the trend is on your Swiss franc JPY? It is very clear and it is very simple. Swiss franc JPY is in an uptrend move, so this is an impulsive move, right? Here comes the corrective phase, which is the pullback phase. Then the market has given us the corrective phase, which is the pullback phase, right? Now our next movement will be another impulsive move. So we will be expecting this is the impulsive move, right? So with this impulsive move, there comes the pullback phase. Then we have this impulsive move. Then this is the pullback phase, right? This is also our impulsive move. Here comes the pullback phase, right? Now, if you take a look at this, this is also the impulsive move, right? And here comes the pullback. Now the market has given us this pullback, we should expect market to continue to push on till it is able to take out this high, right? So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. We are anticipating for a buy, right? On your Swiss franc JPY, expect the Swiss franc JPY to actually give you that bullish move till it is able to push out and take out this high. So whatever you want to be doing on your Swiss franc JPY this week should be a bullish move for us. You should be going for the buy. Now, this is it, right? The market literally open and close bullish right here, right? Markets also open and close bullish. This coming week, which is next week, right? We will be expecting Swiss franc JPY to also open and close bullish. So this coming week is going to be a bullish move for us on our Swiss franc JPY. Let's go down to the daily time frame right here, guys. So this is it, right? The market's literally dropped, right? Give us a multiple rejection zone right here. This is it. Market did give us a multiple rejection zone right here, right? Then pushed up. Now this is a pullback. Now we should expect what market to eventually push up again to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So this is to tell you that our next movement on Swiss franc JPY may be a bullish move. So we will be anticipating for the movement to the upside. Now, this is it on our forward time frame. Pay attention to this movement right here, guys. Market did give us multiple rejection zone right here. You can see that we had a multiple rejection zone, right? Now, which pushed up, right? Market was able to give us, drop here, give us a multiple rejection at this zone. So market was literally chopping within this zone. So with this movement, anytime soon, we will see Swiss franc JPY push up and completely take out this high. So this is to tell that now is the best opportunity and best time to go in for the buy. So if you want to go in for the buy, you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position, because very soon markets will eventually give us that massive bullish move that will push up and completely take out on the side. So this is to tell you that whatever you want to be doing on Swiss franc JPY, going in for the buy. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates.